And this afternoon, 5 former Memphis police officers are now charged with murder. They're accused of beating Tyre Nichols, who just moved from Sacramento to Tennessee. It was during a traffic stop. Authorities are releasing the body cam video.
Let me be clear. What happened here does not at all reflect proper policing. This was wrong. This was criminal.
Now, we expect to see that video tomorrow. President Biden has already called on any protest to be peaceful, and that echoes the message from the Memphis police chief.
The 5 officers who were fired last week following an internal Memphis Police Department probe surrendered to authorities today. Nichols was a father, FedEx worker, and avid skateboarder. His funeral is now planned for next week, and Reverend Al Sharpton is expected to deliver the eulogy.
Now, here's a timeline of how these events played out.
January 7th, officers pulled Nichols over for reckless driving. They say he stopped, but then ran off. And when they caught up with him, there was a confrontation.
Southbound on Ross.
3 days later, January 10th, the Tennessee Bureau of Investigations announced Nichols died from injuries in what it called a use of force incident with officers. January 15th, 5 officers involved are placed on leave. The Tennessee Bureau of Investigations, along with the Shelby County DA, opened an investigation. January 18th, the DOJ announced it was opening a federal civil rights investigation.
The Department of Justice cares deeply about potential violations of constitutional rights.
And 2 days later, all 5 officers are named for the first time and fired. Then Monday, the 23rd, the family watched body cam video for the first time.
What I saw on the video today was horrific.
Now, all 5 fired officers are charged with his murder, facing second-degree murder and kidnapping.
And now CBS 13's Steve Large continues our coverage.
All right, Steve, you just talked with an attorney with the Ben Crump law firm, which is representing the family. What did he have to say?
Yeah, well, first let's also report what we've already mentioned, that Tyre Nichols lived in Sacramento before moving to Memphis just a couple of years ago. And so I had the opportunity today to talk to Mark T. Harris. He's the co-founder of Law Enforcement Accountability Directive. He's also, as you mentioned, a Ben Trump attorney based in Sacramento. And I asked him what he thought about the swiftness of the announced charges compared to what he's seen in prior cases like this. I want to put it in context with other fights for justice that you've been a part of. Would these charges have been filed so quickly if these officers were white?
No, unequivocally no. This is the first time I have seen officers not placed on administrative leave when allegations have come forward. Whether these allegations prove to be true, there's a whole criminal justice process that will determine whether these officers in fact committed this atrocious crime. But the point is, I've never seen this quick a rush, and I don't think it's coincidental that the officers who have been alleged to have conducted this bad behavior are all African American.
I also asked Harris about the rollout of the information. What we've seen so far, as you just pointed out, Curtis, is that not only did they fire the officers, they then also announced they're going to be filing charges, including a murder charge against one of the officers, and all of that before releasing this video. So people who watch this video for the first time tomorrow will have it in the context that these officers are already going to be charged with the crime. And Harris said that he called that move shrewd by the Memphis Police Department. So it's going to be a wait and see how this video is received by the American public and by the world's public in general now.
Certainly, and questions many have been bringing up and have come to light as well. Steve, thank you for that report.